Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Podcast Easy English. We are so happy you are here today, and I am Emma.
And hi, learners. I am Mike. And this is a place where you learn English in a simple and relaxed way.
So, Mike, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling very good. Thank you, Emma. And what about you?
I am good, thank you, Mike.
So, Emma, what is our topic today?
Today's topic is something we all love, food. We talk about food every day, at home, at work, and when we go out.
Talking about food helps you make friends, order meals, and enjoy daily conversations in English.
In this episode, you will learn easy words and simple sentences to talk about food with confidence.
So stay with us until the end.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, please like the video and subscribe to Podcast Easy English.
Emma, are you ready to start our topic?
Yes, Mike, I am ready to start.
Okay, let's get started.
Mike, I am very hungry today.
Oh, really? Me too. I think talking about food makes me more hungry.
Yes, food is always a good topic. Everyone loves food.
That is true. Food helps us connect with people.
Mike, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza very much.
Pizza is very popular. What do you like about pizza?
I like pizza because it is tasty. I like the cheese and the sauce.
Do you like all kinds of pizza?
I like simple pizza. Cheese pizza is my favorite.
That sounds good. I like pizza too, but my favorite food is rice.
Rice is very common in many countries.
Yes, rice is easy to cook and easy to eat.
How do you like to eat rice?
I like rice with vegetables. Sometimes I eat rice with chicken.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
What does healthy food mean to you?
Healthy food is food that helps my body. It gives me energy.
That is a good answer. I like healthy food too, but sometimes I eat fast food.
That is normal. Many people eat fast food.
Emma, do you have a favorite drink?
Yes, I do. My favorite drink is tea.
Tea is nice. Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I drink tea in the morning. It helps me feel calm.
I like coffee more than tea.
Why do you like coffee?
Coffee helps me wake up. It gives me energy in the morning.
Do you like sweet coffee or black coffee?
I like black coffee. I do not add sugar.
That is interesting. I like sweet tea.
Everyone has different tastes.
Yes, that makes food conversations fun.
Emma, do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking at home.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook simple meals. I cook rice, soup, and vegetables.
That sounds nice. Do you cook every day?
No, not every day. Sometimes I eat outside.
Do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, I like restaurants. I like trying new food.
Me too. Trying new food is exciting.
What new food did you try recently?
I tried pasta last week. It was very good.
What kind of pasta did you eat?
I ate pasta with tomato sauce. It was warm and tasty.
That sounds delicious.
Emma, do you like spicy food?
No, I do not like very spicy food. It is too strong for me.
I like spicy food a little, but not too much.
Many people ask this question. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, that is a very common question.
Food questions help start conversations.
That is true. You can ask simple questions.
For example, what is your favorite food?
Or, do you like sweet food or salty food?
Or, do you like cooking at home?
These questions are easy and friendly.
Mike, do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit.
That is a good breakfast.
What about you, Emma?
I eat oatmeal or bread. I drink tea with my breakfast.
That sounds healthy and simple.
Food does not need to be expensive. Simple food can be very good.
I agree. Simple food is often the best.
Talking about food helps improve English.
Yes, food words are easy to remember.
And food conversations are fun.
Everyone eats, so everyone can talk about food.
That is why this topic is great for beginners.
You can practice English every day with food.
Talk about what you eat. Talk about what you like.
And talk about what you don't like.
Yes, that is important too.
Food is a perfect topic for daily English.
And we will practice more in the next part. Now, let us look at some easy food words and phrases from our conversation.
Yes, we will explain them slowly and clearly.
First phrase, my favorite food is.
You can use this to talk about food you love.
For example, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is rice.
You can change the food word only. The sentence stays the same.
Next phrase, I like.
This is very simple and very useful.
Examples, I like pizza. I like vegetables. I like sweet food.
You can also say what you do not like.
For example, I do not like spicy food.
Next phrase, I eat.
This phrase talks about your daily food.
Examples, I eat rice for lunch. I eat eggs for breakfast.
This is great for daily conversations. Now, a very useful phrase, I try to eat healthy.
This means you want to eat good food for your body.
Healthy food gives you energy. Healthy food helps your body feel good.
You can also say, I try to eat healthy food.
Next phrase, I like to cook.
This means you enjoy making food at home.
Examples, I like to cook at home. I like to cook simple food.
If you do not like cooking, you can say, I do not like cooking.
Now let us look at drinks.
Common drinks are tea, coffee, and water.
You can say, my favorite drink is tea. I drink coffee in the morning.
One more useful phrase, I eat at home or I eat outside.
Eating outside means restaurants or cafés.
Both sentences are very common in daily English.
These phrases are simple, clear, and easy to remember.
You can use them every day.
Next, we will practice speaking together. Now we move into a calm speaking practice. This part helps you feel comfortable using food words in English.
You do not need to be perfect. You only need to feel relaxed and confident.
Let us begin with something very simple. Think about food you like.
In your mind, form this sentence. My favorite food is rice.
Take a moment. Choose one food you enjoy.
Good. That sentence works anywhere, at home, at work, or with friends.
Now let us talk about liking and not liking food.
Think about this sentence. I like pizza.
You can say pizza, rice, fruit, meat, or vegetables.
Now think about this one. I do not like very spicy food.
This sentence is very useful in restaurants and daily conversations. Now let us talk about meals.
Think about your morning. Say in your mind, I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
Maybe bread, eggs, fruit, or cereal.
Now think about lunchtime. I eat rice and chicken for lunch.
This helps you talk about your daily routine. Let us continue with dinner.
In your mind, say, I eat vegetables and fish for dinner.
You can keep it simple. Simple English is strong English.
Now let us practice talking about cooking.
Think about this sentence. I like to cook simple meals.
If that is not true for you, try this one. I do not like to cook every day.
Both sentences are very common in English. Now let us add more meaning.
Think and say, I like to cook at home in the evening.
Or, I eat at home most days of the week.
These sentences help people understand your lifestyle.
Now let us talk about healthy food.
Think about this sentence. I try to eat healthy food.
You can also think of this one. I eat vegetables every day.
Or, I try to eat less sugar and salt.
Now let us talk about drinks.
Think and say, my favorite drink is tea.
Tea, coffee, juice, or water are good examples.
You can also think, I drink water many times a day.
Now let us practice one longer sentence.
In your mind, say, I like rice because it is easy to cook.
For example, I like rice because it is filling and affordable.
Or, I like fruit because it is fresh and healthy.
Now let us talk about eating out.
Think about this sentence. I like eating at small local restaurants.
Or, I prefer eating at home with my family.
Both sentences are natural and common.
Now imagine someone asks you about food.
You can answer like this. I like simple home-style food.
Or, I enjoy home-cooked meals.
These answers sound friendly and clear.
Now take a moment.
Think about one food you ate this week.
Say in your mind, this week I ate rice and vegetables.
This sentence helps you talk about the past.
Very good.
You are using real English now.
Speaking slowly is okay.
Thinking before speaking is okay.
The goal is comfort, not speed.
Clear English helps people understand you.
Practice these sentences anytime.
At home, while walking, or before sleep.
In the next part, we will share simple food tips.
Tips that help both your English and your daily life.
You are doing great so far.
Let us continue together.
Now let us talk about ordering food. This is very important in daily English.
Yes. We order food in restaurants, cafes, and coffee shops.
A very polite and common phrase is, I would like.
For example, I would like a coffee.
Or you can say, I would like a sandwich.
This phrase is polite and safe to use anywhere.
Another common phrase is, can I have?
For example, can I have a tea, please?
Or you can say, can I have a slice of cake?
This sounds friendly and natural.
You can also order a full meal.
For example, I would like chicken and rice.
Or you can say, can I have pasta with vegetables?
Both sentences are very clear.
Now let us talk about prices.
A very useful question is, how much is this?
You can ask this in a cafe or a restaurant.
You can also say, how much is the coffee?
Sometimes you need help.
You can say, excuse me.
Or you can say, excuse me, please.
This is polite and respectful.
Always say please.
And say thank you after ordering.
For example, thank you very much.
Good manners are important in English.
Imagine you are in a cafe.
You can say, I would like a coffee, please.
Or you can say, can I have a cake?
These sentences are simple and clear.
In a restaurant, you can say, I would like fish and salad.
Or you can say, can I have the soup?
These sentences work everywhere.
Ordering food does not need long sentences.
Short and clear English is best.
People will understand you.
And you will feel more confident.
In the next part, we will review what you learned.
And we will give you a simple speaking challenge.
Stay with us.
Now, let's learn how to describe food in English.
This helps you talk more and sound natural.
Describing food helps people understand what you like.
It also helps when you order food.
And when you talk with friends.
Let's start with taste.
Very common taste words are sweet, salty, sour, and spicy.
For example, you can say, this cake is sweet.
Or you can say, this soup is salty.
Many people like spicy food.
You can say, this food is spicy.
Or you can say, I like spicy food.
If you do not like it, say, it is too spicy.
Flavor is how food tastes.
You can say, it tastes good.
Or you can say, it tastes bad.
Simple words are okay.
Now let's talk about texture.
Texture means how food feels in your mouth.
Common texture words are soft, hard, crunchy, and chewy.
For example, you can say, the bread is soft.
Fresh food is very important.
You can say, this food is fresh.
Or you can say, the vegetables are fresh.
Fresh food sounds healthy and good.
We also talk about food temperature.
Hot and cold are easy words.
For example, you can say, the soup is hot.
Or you can say, the ice cream is cold.
Now let's talk about liking food.
You can say, I like this food.
Or you can say, I love this food.
Love is stronger than like.
It is okay to say you do not like something.
You can say, I do not like this.
Or you can say, it is not my favorite.
This sounds polite.
Short sentences are very useful.
For example, you can say, this food is good.
Or you can say, this food is very tasty.
Do not worry about long sentences.
You can add small words to describe more.
For example, it is very sweet.
Or you can say, it is a little salty.
These words help you explain better.
Let's describe a full meal.
You can say, the meal is hot and tasty.
Or you can say, the food is fresh and good.
2 adjectives are enough.
You can also talk about your experience.
For example, you can say, I enjoyed this meal.
Or you can say, the food was nice.
Past tense is okay here.
People like to talk about food from different countries.
You can say, I like Italian food.
Or you can say, I like local food.
This starts a conversation.
You can describe where you eat.
For example, you can say, I eat at home.
Or you can say, I eat at restaurants.
Simple and clear.
Do not be afraid to speak.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
Clear English is good English.
People will understand you.
When you eat, think in English.
Say, this food is good.
Say, the food is hot.
This helps you learn fast.
Use simple words every day.
Talk about food often.
Food English is very useful.
And very fun to learn. Now let's talk about simple food tips. These tips help your daily life and your English.
Food is something we all talk about, so learning food English is very useful.
First, keep your English simple.
You do not need big or difficult words.
Simple words like rice, chicken, fruit, and soup are perfect.
People understand you better when you speak simply.
When talking about food, say what you like.
For example, you can say, I like pizza. I like spicy food.
This is easy and very natural English.
It is also okay to say what you do not like.
You can say, I do not like fish. I do not eat meat.
This is polite and clear.
Many people like to talk about healthy food.
You can say, I try to eat healthy.
Or you can say, I eat vegetables every day.
These sentences are common in daily English.
Talking about meals is very useful.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are easy topics.
For example, you can say, I eat eggs for breakfast.
Or you can say, I eat rice for dinner.
You can also talk about where you eat.
For example, you can say, I eat at home.
Or you can say, I like eating at restaurants.
This helps people understand your lifestyle.
Cooking is a great food topic.
You can say, I like to cook.
Or you can say, I do not like cooking.
Both are very normal sentences.
Food shopping is part of daily life.
You can say, I buy food at the supermarket.
Or you can say, I buy fresh vegetables.
These sentences are useful and simple.
People may ask you about food.
They may ask, what is your favorite food?
You can answer simply, my favorite food is pasta.
You do not need a long answer.
Confidence is more important than perfect English.
Speak slowly and clearly.
It is okay to make small mistakes.
People will still understand you.
Food connects people everywhere.
You can talk about food with anyone.
At work, at school, or with friends.
Food conversations help you make friends.
Practice food English every day.
When you eat, think in English.
You can say in your mind, I am eating rice.
This helps your brain learn faster.
Use English when ordering food.
Use English when shopping.
Use English when talking to friends.
Real use makes English strong.
Learning English should feel fun.
Food makes learning enjoyable.
Talk about food you love.
This makes speaking easier.
These food tips help beginners feel relaxed.
You do not need perfect grammar.
You only need clear and simple English.
You are already improving.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We are very happy you stayed with us.
Today you learned how to talk about food in English.
You practiced talking about taste, meals, and ordering food.
Great job for learning something new today.
Remember, learning English takes time.
Small steps every day are very powerful.
Try to use today's food words in real life.
Talk about your favorite food in English.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn faster.
Before you go, please support our podcast.
Click like if you enjoyed this episode.
Subscribe to Podcast Easy English for more easy lessons,
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
so you never miss a new episode.
In our next episode,
We will talk about ordering food at restaurants.
you will learn polite English for cafes and restaurants.
Simple, useful, real-life English.
We can't wait to see you again.
Thank you for learning with us.
Goodbye and see you in the next episode.